Hotep, I am that I am, some call me Haru, your cannabis fitness strategist, taking you to the next level. I've been getting a lot of requests lately. Oh, we need a beginner workout. We need a beginner work. So here you go. Me and my brother Abdul, we gonna get this right out there for you and get some things tracking. So what we have today for you, a simple beginner's program. Starting out with 3 to 4 cycles, and this is for the common man, the common woman. Literally, reps gonna be in the range of 10 to 20 actually, 10 to 20. And we're gonna have 5 exercises for you. So this is gonna be a full body workout, literally, full body workout. And I figure with this particular workout we're offering, it's gonna be based on how many days, how much, repetitions you want to get in. What do you really want to do? That's really where it comes down with this beginner's program. It's about starting now, but starting, literally. So we recommending 3 days a week, getting that every other day so you can get your rest, get your things on, whatever the case may be. And then for more advanced, 5 days a week, at least getting 2 days of rest day. So every one of us is different. You know what I'm saying? When I started out, I really didn't start out in calisthenics. I mean, that was basics. Literally, that was basics to everything else. Like my wrestling, like my football, like my basketball, whatever you want to take on it. But we're going to get right to the game. Like I said, 3 to 4 cycles. And what I mean by 3 to 4 cycles, I mean sets. The terminology has changed over the years, so it's a lot of old school people too, who's wondering what are cycles. But basically they're sets, kind of if you want to take it in the weightlifting air or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to get busy, we're going to break down some things, and if you have any questions, give us a comment down below. Let us know. Share this. Get it out there. And this is a combination or a connection with Workout Forever. So you're going to see my brother Abdul being featured in this, and we're just coming together, making some things happen. So until next time, do you. That's the key thing. Do you. And I'm out. Peace. Hotep.